Welcome back to another BdThemes tutorial. Today we're excited to introduce One Accessibility, our new WordPress plugin designed to make your website more inclusive and user-friendly. Whether you manage a blog, business site, or online store, it offers powerful accessibility profiles and tools that help every visitor browse with ease. Let's install it and see it in action. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, hover over the Plugins menu and select Add Plugin. In the search bar at the top right, type One Accessibility, and the plugin developed by BdThemes will appear in the results. Click Install Now, then choose Activate when the installation is finished. After activation, you'll be taken to the Accessibility dashboard, where you'll see the main interface of the One Accessibility plugin. At the top, you'll find the Active Presets section, which shows how many presets are currently available. Next to it is the Custom Profiles section, where you can view the profiles you've created. You'll also notice a Saved Preferences area that displays how many custom accessibility settings your visitors have saved on your site. Right below these summaries, you'll find quick access buttons for managing presets, managing profiles, and adjusting accessibility settings. In the upper right corner of the page, there's a Create New Preset button that lets you design your own accessibility preset from scratch. As you scroll down, you'll see the Widget Usage Statistics panel. This section displays both the free and the premium widget lists along with their usage counts. Premium widgets are marked with a badge that clearly indicates their status. A filter menu in the top right corner lets you view stats for today, the past several days, the past month, or your entire usage history. If you have access to the Pro version and have already downloaded the Pro plugin file, you can now install it. Again, hover over the Plugins menu and select Add Plugin. This time, click the Upload Plugin option at the top left of the page. Select Choose File, locate your One Accessibility profile, and begin the installation. Once it finishes, click Activate Plugin, and your Pro features will be ready. Before using them, you need to activate your license. Hover over the Accessibility menu and open the License tab. You'll see fields for your license key and the email associated with it. Enter both, then select Activate License. Once your license is successfully activated, you'll see confirmation details, including license status, license type, expiration information, and the key itself. A Deactivate License button is available below in case you ever need it. After activation, return to the dashboard. Under the Accessibility menu, you'll notice additional tabs beside Dashboard and License, Presets, Custom Profiles, and Settings. Inside the Presets tab, you'll see a list of the existing presets, including any custom ones you create. For now, you'll only see the default preset that comes with the plugin. In the Custom Profiles tab, you'll find the section where your custom profiles will appear. Since none have been created yet, this area is empty for now. We will cover how to create custom presets and profiles in separate, dedicated tutorials. Inside the Settings tab, you'll see several configuration options for One Accessibility. The Export and Import Settings tool allows you to back up your settings or transfer them to another site, and to import settings from a previously saved file. The Statement Page option helps you generate an accessibility statement page for your website, which is often recommended for compliance. The Consent option for translation lets you display a message asking visitors for permission before translating any content. The Force Translate Site Language option allows your site to automatically convert text back into its original language if necessary, replacing default WordPress translations with auto-generated ones. Below that, you'll find the Enable Accessibility Checker option, which displays an accessibility checker button on the front end for administrators. At the bottom, the Track Usage Statistics option lets you monitor how visitors interact with the accessibility tools on your website. Keep in mind that when the One Accessibility plugin is first installed and activated, it automatically provides a ready-made preset with essential accessibility profiles. This means your website immediately offers accessibility tools to your visitors. To see everything working, visit the front end of your site. At the bottom of the page, you'll notice a message asking if you want to enable translation. You can either approve it or dismiss it. For demonstration purposes, we'll allow translation. On the right side of the page, you'll also see the Accessibility Checker button, which appears because we activated it earlier in the settings. Click it to open the Accessibility Checker panel. Inside, you'll see a Start Accessibility Scan button, along with an important notice about a required dependency for the scan. Make sure to review that information before running the scan. Let's start by clicking the button to begin the automatic scan. Once you do, an accessibility scan report will appear. This report shows categories where issues were detected, as well as those without any problems. Categories include structure and semantics, color and contrast, media accessibility, links and buttons, forms and inputs, focus and navigation flow, and advanced or miscellaneous. You can click any category to see detailed information about the issues found, categorized as minor, major, or critical. Below the report, you'll find a Clear Scan button. Clicking it will remove all scan results. Then, if you click anywhere on the page, the Accessibility Checker panel will close. In the bottom right corner of your page, you'll see the Accessibility button. Click it to open the Accessibility menu, which slides in from the right side. This menu is divided into 3 sections: Translation, Accessibility Profiles, and Widgets. At the top, there's the translation option with a toggle switch. Turning this on lets you instantly translate your website's text into any supported language. You can either pick your preferred language from the list or use the search bar to find one quickly. Once selected, the site's text will translate in real time. Next, you'll find Accessibility Profiles, preset groups of settings tailored to specific user needs. Each profile automatically activates the proper accessibility tools. For example, the ADHD profile reduces distractions and boosts focus by creating a calmer, more structured viewing experience. It includes a mask mode that highlights a horizontal area as you move your mouse, which is excellent for reading line by line. The blind profile supports users who rely on screen readers or audio guidance. When activated, it enables a screen reader widget. Try selecting any text on the page. It will be read aloud, providing full auditory access to the content.
One Accessibility helps you make your WordPress site accessible to everyone, including people with disabilities such as dyslexia, ADHD, color blindness, or low vision.
The Cognitive and Learning Profile is designed to improve understanding and reduce mental fatigue for users with cognitive or learning challenges. It offers cleaner layouts and balanced visuals for more straightforward navigation and reading. The Colorblind Profile helps those who struggle to distinguish colors. Activating it adjusts the site using tools like saturation and smart contrast to make visuals clearer and easier to read. The Dyslexia Profile is created for users with dyslexia or other reading difficulties. It activates features such as dyslexia-friendly fonts and spacing, making reading smoother. The Low Vision Profile supports visitors with partial vision loss who don't use screen readers but need enhanced visuals. This profile turns on bigger text, cursor enhancements, saturation adjustments, and tooltips for a more comfortable experience. The Motor Impaired Profile assists users who have difficulty with standard input devices such as a mouse, keyboard, or touchscreen. It activates helpful widgets such as tooltips to simplify navigation. Finally, the Seizure and Epileptic Profile protects users sensitive to flashing lights or rapid movement. It turns off high-contrast animations and strobe-like effects that might cause discomfort or seizures. These are the current accessibility profiles in One Accessibility, each crafted to make the web more welcoming and adaptable for all users. Below the profiles is the Widgets list, where users can access individual accessibility tools directly. At the top of this list, there's a toggle called Oversized Widget. Turning it on makes the widget names and icons larger and easier to see and select. Turning it off returns them to their standard size. The first widget is Bigger Text. As the name suggests, it lets you increase the text size across the web page. You can adjust it across multiple levels. The first click sets the text to medium size, the next increases it to large, then extra large, and finally huge, making it comfortable for users with vision challenges to read without needing to zoom manually. Next is the brightness widget. It lets you adjust the page's overall brightness across several levels. You can adjust the brightness to your preference. Following that is the contrast widget. This tool helps you adjust the page's color contrast with a few options. The first activates invert mode, flipping colors for better contrast. The second applies a dark theme, and the third switches to a light mode. Each option lets users choose the visual style that best suits their eyes. Moving on to the cursor widget, it offers 3 distinct modes to enhance navigation. The first mode enlarges the cursor, making it easier to locate on the screen. The second activates a mask mode, which highlights a horizontal strip as you move your mouse, perfect for focusing on text or reading line by line. The third mode adds a guiding line that follows the cursor, helping users stay focused as they navigate the web page. Now, the dictionary widget lets users instantly look up the meaning of any word by simply selecting or highlighting it on the page. This is especially helpful for people learning a new language or those who might need quick definitions while reading. Following that is the Dyslexia-Friendly widget. Specifically designed for users with dyslexia or reading difficulties, it automatically adjusts the website's typography and spacing to reduce visual stress and create a smoother, more comfortable reading experience. The grayscale widget desaturates the entire web page, making it easier for some users to concentrate without the distraction of bright colors. It offers 3 adjustment levels, low, medium, and high, so users can set the intensity that suits them best. Next is the Hide Images widget, which removes all images from the page and displays only the text. This creates a distraction-free reading environment, ideal for users who want to focus solely on the written content. The Highlight Links widget visually emphasizes all hyperlinks by adding color highlights, outlines, or underlines. This feature helps users, especially those with visual impairments or color blindness, easily identify clickable links and navigate confidently. The Keyboard Navigation widget supports users who prefer to browse without a mouse, allowing them to navigate between interactive elements using keyboard commands such as Tab, Shift+Tab, Enter, Space, or the arrow keys. With the Line Height widget, users can adjust line spacing to improve reading comfort. It offers 3 levels of spacing, from medium to extra large, helping make the text feel more open and easier on the eyes. The Mute Sounds widget lets users silence audio and video on the web page, creating a quieter browsing experience. The Pause Animation widget stops all animations on the page, enabling users to focus on content without distractions from moving or flashing visuals. The Saturation widget controls the intensity of colors on your screen. It offers options to lower, increase, or fully desaturate saturation, giving users flexibility to find their ideal visual setting. Next is the Screen Reader widget, which brings text-to-speech functionality to your site. Simply click the widget, select any text, and it will be read aloud.
Instantly boost WordPress accessibility with ready-to-use presets.
Users can choose from different reading speeds, normal, slow, or fast, based on their preference. The Smart Contrast widget automatically analyzes your web page and adjusts colors to enhance text visibility and overall contrast, improving readability without manual setup. The Text Alignment widget lets users adjust text alignment across the page. Whether you prefer left, center, right, or justified text, you can easily customize it to fit your reading needs. The Text Spacing widget fine-tunes spacing between letters, words, and paragraphs. It provides 3 options, medium, large, and extra large, so users can select the spacing that feels most comfortable. Finally, the Tooltips widget displays helpful pop-up text when hovering over elements such as buttons or links. These tooltips provide extra context or information, enhancing navigation and accessibility. At the bottom, you'll find 2 buttons, Reset All and Clear Constant. Use these whenever you need to restore default settings or clear persistent changes. And that wraps up the basics of getting started with One Accessibility. From installation to activation, you now know how its essential tools help visitors interact with your website more comfortably. But this is just the beginning. The plugin also lets you create custom profiles and personalized presets. We'll cover those advanced features in the following videos of the One Accessibility series. Stay tuned. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more web accessibility tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest plugins and features from BdThemes. Thanks for watching.